the other means by which hopefully we can determine whether or not brakes were a cause of the accident or some other cause.
Charges have now been filed against the truck driver accused of causing that fiery, fatal 28-vehicle pileup on I-70 last week.
Rohel Aguilera Mederos is now facing 40 counts, ranging from vehicular homicide to first-degree assault and reckless driving. And Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is at the Jefferson County Justice Center. And Lance, what is the accused saying about these charges?
Well, he didn't say a word in court, but afterwards his attorney did, criticizing the sheer number of charges filed today. He called them overkill.
The 40 charges, including first-degree assault and crimes of violence, is a massive, really unprecedented prosecutorial overreach in this particular case that involves a vehicle accident.
Defense attorney Robert Corey thinks it's overkill, but prosecutors say the charges fit the crime.
I characterize it as a crash, not an accident.
DA Pete Weir says they are linked to the impact on victims.
The number of counts reflects the magnitude of the incident and the number of people that either were hurt or could have been hurt as a result of his actions.
Prosecutors say Rohel Lazaro Aguilera Mederos was behind the wheel of a truck that slammed into 27 vehicles in traffic and ignited an inferno. Weir says Aguilera was observed driving upward of 85 miles an hour near Genesee, where the speed limit for trucks is 45.
Mr. Aguilera was observed by a number of citizens driving recklessly, swerving through various lanes of the road until he descended I-70 in the right-hand lane of travel.
Instead of pulling off the highway and hitting a single truck on the shoulder, he opted to pull to the left, slamming into numerous other vehicles. The defense claims there is evidence of a brake malfunction, but prosecutors say that hasn't been determined yet.
The vehicle itself was completely destroyed, so it's not in a position to have a mechanical inspection done.
Weir says the truck shown in this video, blowing past a runaway truck ramp, is Aguilera Mederos's.
Did he have a knowledge of English? Did he have a knowledge of English signs?
I would just say there was a translator present.
Lakewood Police Chief Dan McCaskey says he's never seen a crash of that magnitude.
I can tell you it's really devastated our community.
Now, defense attorney Robert Corey says prosecutors should have waited until the investigation was complete to file charges. He used a plane crash as an analogy. He said pilots typically aren't charged until after they've had a chance to look at the black box and determine what caused the crash. But prosecutors say this has been an extensive investigation. We will learn more about what they know during the preliminary hearing scheduled for July 11th. In Jefferson County, Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.
All right, Lance, thank you. The team